Okay, Polygon Tool, take one. Okay, so we forgot to mention one other tool, and that is the Polygon Tool. Here it is right here. And for that, I'm going to ask that you return to the start screen if you haven't already done so, and click on Open. And using the Command key on your Macintosh or the Control key, press and hold either the Command or Control click key and select pyramid 01 and 02. There it is, pyramid 01, 02, press open, and you should have this two images here. One is really beautiful, the other one is majestic. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this image right here, just the pyramid part, and put it here with the regular pyramids. And for that, I'm going to go back to the man-made pyramid, although this is man-made too. Although some people think it's made by aliens, I personally think we're not giving credit where credit is due. I think it was built by man. A lot of hard-working, real tough guys that made this all happen, and kudos to them for such an amazing job. All right, so back to this one. We're going to go to the lasso tool. Okay, click and select the polygon lasso tool. All right, it should look exactly like you see right here, that cursor. Okay, there's a little bent part of it. That means this is the polygon tool. Very simple, very easy to do. I'm just going to go ahead and start from one end. Okay, click, go to the other end, click, go to the other end, click, go to the other end. Actually, you can go all the way across. Well, actually, let's go to the bottom part right here. Click, and then now, moving upwards, you'll see the little red arrow, or little red, not arrow, little red circle if possible, and I can't seem to find it. And if I can't find it, I'm just going to double click here. And notice the marching-ants return. At this point, I'm going to edit copy. I'm going to go to this pyramid, and then I'm going to paste. There it is, and it kind of appears really small, but if you click on the Move tool, notice that basically the anchor points appear. I'm going to press and hold the Shift key and make it a little bit bigger. And there we have it right there, and put it right there. Press the return key or press the marquee tool, and there you have it. Simple as that. Okay, give it a go. This was short and sweet.